How to see Apple ID password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. If you want to view any app password from here, then tap on that app. For example, Apple ID. You can now view the username and password over here. You can repeat this to see the other passwords as well. Following these steps, you can easily see Apple ID password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.